Today we have a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is When a Hothead Threatens the Police.
You're getting arrested because you threatened me.
It's a nurse. Oh boy.
Oh, that's so funny.
Of course.
On May 27, 2025, an officer stopped a vehicle that was reported to be driving recklessly.
She was? No. Hi.
Hi.
Do you have a bad experience at Pinellas County Sheriff's Office?
I have a lot of experience.
You're going to have another one if you don't calm down.
No, I can't calm down. I'm so beyond fed up right now. Like, this is actually ridiculous.
It sounds like you're just getting a ticket.
That's fine.
And then you can go about your way.
She can surely write me a ticket since she wanted to follow me since she's bored.
What's going on?
Okay.
That's completely fine.
Take
she
it to
can see
court.
me in court. Yes,
Take it to court.
She can see me in court.
But
that's absolutely absurd.
If you
that
battle
she's
us,
gonna follow
if
me
you battle us out
into
here,
my neighborhood,
you're gonna lose.
because she wanted to get me a ticket.
She was the one from Ebola. Okay. And she brought in here. She did a stop bar violation, so I stopped her. You can still do a welfare check based on the bolo. Why is she all hot? Because as soon as I pulled up, that's what I walked up to. She's yelling, and as I'm sitting here, she's saying she's gonna punch me in the face.
I didn't even have to keep driving, but she was following me.
When you were sitting in your car.
See, this is the problem. People want to be lawyers on the side of the road. You gonna lose, like the officer said.
She was yelling at you?
She was on the phone with her mom. She's yelling, "I'm gonna punch her in the face. She's gonna I'm gonna go to jail today, Mom."
What's the ticket for?
For failure to stop. I stopped past the stop sign, apparently, at that one right there. Apparently.
Okay, we'll go to court.
I will go to court. But this is absolutely ridiculous. Following me for what?
I have no idea. I don't know why she was following you. Maybe there was something else about your car she didn't like. No idea.
I just got into an accident because somebody failed to stop at a stop sign and hit me. So my car doesn't drive perfectly right now.
So you're mad at her for enforcing something
I'm mad
that
at her for following me for no reason.
Okay, well you can't threaten
So you guys can just sit there and follow people?
You can't threaten to punch us either.
So you guys can just sit there and
understand
follow
what I'm saying?
people for no reason. Without a reason to do so?
Sure.
641 cover call, 572 back. Go welfare
That's
check
fine. We'll
14.
just take it to court then. That's okay.
Okay.
All right.
Never get out. You can get out.
For what?
You're going to jail.
For what?
Get out of the car.
For what?
No.
I'm gonna get out of the. I will get out of the
I'm gonna
vehicle.
cut your
I will
seatbelt.
get out. Let me get out. Oh my God! This is absolutely ridiculous.
No, it's not. What's absolutely ridiculous is you threatening to punch one of my
Okay.
deputies in the face.
Cool. Just stop pulling my hair.
Them lady cops gonna get you together,
Yeah.
boy. I'm telling you.
She's going in your car.
Sarge popped
you
up
on
on the
the phone with your
scene.
mom?
Yep.
Okay. Well, you can come and get your car if you want.
Oh, okay, cool.
Or we can tow it. I mean, it doesn't matter to me.
Well, you can't just leave it.
All right, well, we'll tow it then.
No, just have her
Yeah,
come get
tow
it.
it. Tow it.
All right.
5 cops for one person. You guys are crazy. Oh my God. I'm walking just fine.
Well, your stance.
Just tell me what to do and I can do it. You don't need to touch me.
You had a hard time doing that before, so.
You guys gave me one direction to do and didn't even give me 0.2 seconds to get out of the car. So, yeah.
Hello? Anyone still on the phone? Nope. Okay. Keys. Wallet.
I hope they tow it. That's what I would do.
What's your code so we can call your mom?
I think she's right there.
Okay. The black pickup truck?
Yeah. That's her boyfriend. Yes, please record, because they've already manhandling the out of me.
Oh boy.
He can stay 25 feet away.
Okay.
And then if they want to take the car, has to give his driver's license.
All right, so you got to stay 25 feet away according to Florida law. Yeah.
Bullshit.
Yeah, that's a new law.
That is not a new law.
That is a new
Let
law.
me see that. Where is that?
Look
Let
it
me see
up.
where it's written.
Look it up. Now, if you
Sergeant.
want to take her vehicle, you
Halo
can take
law.
her vehicle.
I want to know what is going on.
I'm getting arrested for threatening them, apparently.
I
Not
want to know
apparently.
about the whole
That's
situation.
what you did.
She got stopped for
Jeez.
traffic.
Okay.
Apparently,
In her neighborhood.
she's been
In her neighborhood. So you
A
stop
neighborhood.
people in their neighborhood?
a neighborhood.
No, a neighborhood is her neighborhood. So
Okay.
don't say a neighborhood. This is her neighborhood.
Does it make you
Okay.
feel better if I say her neighborhood?
Go ahead.
Don't touch me. Anybody else can deal with me but you, bitch. Let me check.
She's gonna get cited. She didn't agree with the violation. She threatened to punch that.
What's your name?
What's my name?
Yeah. Identify yourself.
Deputy Mike Valenti.
Okay.
61652.
Okay. And you too?
Deputy Figicelli, 59060.
Okay.
And what's your name?
I don't even need to.
You're 25 feet away.
Okay, but I want to.
You're gonna go to jail too. 25 feet away.
I'm well. This
We're
is,
giving
this
you a
is at
lawful order
25.
to stay
This is
outside of
25.
this investigation.
Listen,
Okay? This is your final warning. This is a new law. If you interfere with this investigation, you will go to jail.
All right.
You understand? You have been.
Man, we need that motherfucker. Sorry, I'm trying to listen. I'm trying to work on my swearing in these videos. You know what I mean? Trying to bring it down. You know? But anyway, sometimes I just get excited, you know, and it just blurts out. But anyways, we need that law here in New York. That 25 feet law, I like that. I ain't gonna lie. Florida is like the standard. Everything I always hear about Florida with, you know, the way that they carried the pandemic. That's why a lot of states were struggling coming out of the pandemic. Florida is thriving. You know, they got you standing your ground. They got it's like so much stuff about Florida that DeSantis and all them boys, they getting it together down there. That's why everybody moving down there. You go to Florida, you're going to see so many New Yorkers. You're going to think Florida, the people in Florida is New Yorkers. It's so many New Yorkers down there. But yeah, man, that 25 feet law. But I can see why her attitude is like that. Look, this is the boyfriend. If this is the boyfriend, I can only see what the mom is like. Oh, man. Oh, boy. It's bad.
Warned, as it is
You guys got
stated in the statute that is required.
little power trip right now going, aren't we?
We're not done recording with our cell phones.
Yes, you are recording.
I didn't say
Yes, you just said, I'm not the one recording.
with my cell phone.
That's
you.
Well,
Do you have your driver's
okay.
license on you? Or are you trying to take the car?
I am going to take the car.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you? I got to make sure that you are valid. Can you take it out for me?
Oh my god, you think you're so big and bad and above everything else. That's crazy. You think you're so cool. Because you're a police officer. Crazy. You're just nothing.
Drop that.
Every time I'm going to videotape.
429 valid, please.
Good. Shows that we're doing our job. Appreciate it.
Maybe. Harassing people in their neighborhood. You're not even telling me the full story, so.
She's an adult. You don't have
just
to.
did.
You did not. You just said.
You just don't want to listen.
You just said something in the neighborhood. Okay, all lawful what? What did she do?
She rolled the stop sign.
What stop sign did she roll?
Wasn't here for it.
Do you have your license on you? She wants you to take the car.
She already has. I got the,
Okay.
I got Eden running it right now. She's going to throw it in the call notes.
Okay, she said that you can take the car. We just got to verify your license and then you can get on out of here. Okay? Give us just a minute.
I would tow that
Nothing
car.
to do with yourself. Because there's nobody, committing real crimes or anything.
This is the same.
Okay. Oh, well, I'm not going to throw mine up on YouTube later.
I'm not going to throw mine on YouTube either.
Okay.
I'm not that guy. I'm the guy that's trying to figure out what's going on when she calls hysterical, so. That's the guy I know.
Had to call 5 cops over one girl. You're crazy. Oh my God. Can't.
Well, look, body cam watch. They are them guys. Okay. The cop may not be that guy. Stepdad, boyfriend, whoever, he may not be that guy. But the owner of body cam watch is that guy. Okay. Or girl, who knows? This could be a lady behind this channel. Who knows? But hey, you gonna be on YouTube now. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. We see you guys acting like fools. You said that you're that guy that pulls up to see what's going on because she's hysterical. And you pull up and you can't even listen to what the officers are saying. The officer just gave you the whole rundown, which he doesn't have to because she is an adult. So you don't have to tell another adult or whatever anything. And then you just sat there and said, you ain't even telling me the full story. See, this is why I wouldn't even talk to them. No. Well, you want to know what's going on? She'll let you know when she bonds out. There you go, period. Or
Handle shit, huh? You can't handle nothing.
She can't shut up.
Crazy.
So I would tow it.
I think it's still running. Yep. Yes, sir.
Because you caught me at the worst possible time. Like, I was already having the worst day possible, and then you were like, it's the fact that you were following me that shit irked me so bad. And then failure to stop at the stop sign, stopping past it, barely.
I don't threaten strangers.
Well, shouldn't have followed me.
Yeah, she's a hothead, so.
That was in the presence of a deputy. We actually were in the area because we got a call of a reckless driver bolo. Mm-hmm. They gave her exact vehicle description and tag and saying that she was in the area of Starkey. So my deputy just happened to be in the exact area, sees the car pull into the neighborhood. In addition, she runs a stop sign. That's the reason for the traffic stop. And she was a hothead, so.
All because you think you're so big and tough. That's crazy.
She needs her ass
actually.
whooped, man.
It's quite funny. Failure to stop at the stop sign because you stopped past it. Oh, you're absolutely ridiculous. It's okay. Maybe one day you'll have a life. And then you'll feel good about yourself without having to bring other people down over nothing. Or maybe one day you'll actually be a real cop and get to fight real crime. That would be cool, huh? Because I'm sure that's probably why you got into this, was to do some real crime.
Have you been diagnosed with something in your life?
No? Have you? Why? Just because I'm talking down on you means that I was diagnosed with something? Because, not like you'd have anything better to do with yourself. But no, you want to follow people and do whatever you can to get your quota. I know how it works at the end of the month. It's alright. Hopefully you met it.
Man, she need her ass whooped, man. One time, just with a mouth like that, man, you gonna come around the wrong person, man. You might come around Big Bertha talking all crazy. Big Bertha gonna put you down, okay? So you better be real cool, man. Real cool. And these are the people we got working in the medical field. I don't know if she a nurse. She ain't say it. So typically nurses, they be quick to say, I'm a nurse. So she's probably not a nurse, probably maybe an x-ray tech or something like that. I don't know. But she's a hothead for real. For real. Anyways, I think the officers, they get a 4. The reason I'm gonna give them a 4 is because they should have towed it, man. I would have towed that car. She talked too much. She don't know when to shut the hell up. Or shut up. See, I'm trying to work on it. You don't know when to shut up. I would have told it. But nah, man, I'm not playing, but I give them a 5. You know, they did right. But I would have told it though. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.